In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your Instagram account back after it's been disabled for violating the terms. So with this, you can fix your issue and you can get your account back. Now, right now, you're looking at a DM with Sara, which is someone that watched one of my videos, and her account was actually disabled for violating the terms. Now, as you can see right there, we had this conversation and I actually managed to get her account back. Right there, she messaged me at like 7 a.m. Check this, and then as you can see right there, she has her account back. So a message from Instagram, it looks like your account was disabled by mistake. Your account has been reactivated and you should now be able to log in. We're sorry for any inconvenience. Now that's exactly, that just shows you that you can actually get your account back. So right now I'm going to show you how you can get it back. And for that, we actually need one simple form, okay? Now this is not like any of these stupid help forms, but I'm actually going to show you how you can do this. Okay, right now you're looking at a Telegram group that I created just for this video. So right there, you'll see all of these different Instagram disabled links, and with these forms, you can actually get your account back. So this right there, that link will bring you to the form that I used to get Sarah's account back. First of all, you would have to say yes right there. Do you have a valid government-issued photo ID? Click on yes, and then fill in this form. So you need to come up with your full name, Instagram username, email address. So make sure you list your email address that was linked to your Instagram account. So don't use any personal email addresses. Just use the email that was listed on your Instagram account. Provide them with your country, so the country you're writing from, and then right there you can choose a file and you need to upload your ID so that they can verify it's you. Then pick that right there and click on send, and that's exactly what Sara did to get her account back within 24 hours, okay? Now this is proven to work for Sara. I'm not going to guarantee you that this will work for you, but it has been proven to work in the past, so it can definitely work for you. Now I will leave a link to these links in the description down below. So you simply need to join this Telegram group. I'm not going to sell you anything or charge you. You can just find all of these links for free. Click on that second link right there. It's under Instagram disabled links. And then pretty much fill in this form and send it to Instagram and you can fix your issue. Now, if this helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, comment down below that this works, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.